subscribe EduStation and press the bell icon for all the latest educational updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to EduStation. We are back with a new video, and in this video we will be discussing about UPSC study materials, which is also the most questioned topic by the UPSC aspirants. So let's begin. So there are two sources from where we can get the study materials. First is that we can get free study materials available online from some particular sites, which I will show you in the video. And the second is we can order the study materials and mock tests from a genuine shop in Delhi. I will give their number in the description below. Do check it out. So now the question is from where we can get the free study materials online, and according to me the most genuine site available online is www.upscpdf.com. And trust me, on this site you can get every study materials for free. You don't have to pay anything for that. You just need to click on it and you can save the PDF. So now we will see how many types of materials are available on their site and how can we download them. So now I have opened the website, and as we can see there are many categories available over here. First is UPSC IS, in which we can get UPSC CSE exam notifications, result notifications, we can see the syllabus and some suggestions on interviews also. So our next category is motivation. So let's see what we get over here. So as soon as I clicked on the motivation tab, here we can see some of the blogs like 5 tips that help me crack the UPSC exam, and some popular myths about UPSC, how IS aspirants can prepare best notes in less time, PSIR preparation in brief, UPSC toppers 2018, the story of Meenal Karanwal, how was UPSC prelims 2019, and many other topics which could actually inspire you and help you to keep yourself motivated throughout your preparation. So moving on to our next category, which is coaching materials. We can see that we are getting the coaching materials from the best institutes, that is Vision IS materials, Vajiram and Ravi notes, Unacademy PDF, and the best thing is here we can get the Hindi materials too. So our next category is UPSC books. So when we click on this, we can see 4 options available: UPSC standard books, NCERT, IGNOU materials, and NIOS materials. So when we click on UPSC standard books, we can get a wide range of PDFs available over here, which includes the standard books like Lakshmikant, Bipin Chandra's India Struggle for Freedom, economy books, Indian Modern History by Spectrum, and many other advanced books too. So our next option is NCERT. In this option we can get the compilation of class 6 to 12 NCERTs in a single place, which makes it very easy for us to study and revise. Third option is IGNOU study materials, which is very important for our optional papers preparation, and it will actually bring us on a right track when we will prepare for our optional paper. And the third is NIOS study materials, which will also make our base stronger. So moving on to our next category, which is prelims, and as you can see on the screen, we get the study materials for every subjects: history, art and culture, polity, environment, economy, geography, science and tech, and CSAT as well. And the best thing is you can get the previous year papers from here directly without wasting your time on the internet for more than 15 to 20 minutes. Our next option is mains, and as you can see, this category is almost covering all the papers, be it essay or GS1, GS2, GS3 or GS4. Even you are getting an option named Toppers Copy, where you can actually go and read their answers and improve your answer writings, and you also get the previous year papers for practicing. So our next category is optional, and as you can see there is a big list of the optional study materials available, be it agricultural, anthropology, commerce, chemistry, economics, geography, Hindi literature, law optional, mathematics, philosophy, public administration, political science, physics, and sociology. You are getting a complete package on this website. You don't have to search for the materials anywhere. You just click on this website and you are good to go. And the best thing is, if you want to choose your optional subject, then you can download the study materials from here, study them, and at the end you can decide which optional is the best for you. And the best thing is, you don't have to spend a penny from your pocket. So our next category is test series, and as we click on this, we get three options: prelims, mains, and optional test series. So in prelims test series, we get the test series PDFs of the best institutes, as you can see on the screen. And when we move on to the mains test option, there are the best institutes available which are offering you the mains test series PDF. And the best thing is, Vision IAS mains test is offering you the test series in two languages, English as well as Hindi. And the optional test series deals with only 6 subjects like anthropology, history, geography, PSIR, public administration, and sociology optional test series. So as our next option is magazines, and over here you're getting the best magazines like Vision IS magazine, GS Core magazine, Insight IS magazines, even Kurukshetra and Yojana magazines. And Yojana magazines is available in English as well as Hindi, and Kurukshetra also is available in English and Hindi. And as we all are aware of the global pandemic, and there is a delay in receiving a Yojana monthly subscription, so we can just visit this site and start reading the latest edition of any of the magazines available, so that we do not miss out the current affairs and keep on preparing for our exams smoothly. So now let's have a overlook of the home page. So it is getting updated regularly. You can see Forum IS Prelims 2020 simulator tests 11 with solutions. You can see UPSC Botany optional test series PDF, and even you can see the Forum IS Prelims 2020 simulator test 10 with solutions, Yojana magazine September edition in Hindi, and many other magazines also. So our second category is paid study materials, and for this I will suggest you to WhatsApp Image Runners and ask them for any of the study materials of any renowned coaching you want, and they will respond you and they will provide you the materials within a week. I ordered them personally and they delivered to me within 5 to 7 days. If you want to order the study materials from Image Runners, I have provided their numbers in the description below. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, then please share it with your friends who are preparing for UPSC CSE, so that they can also go to the website and download the study materials for free. Or if they want to order the hard copy, they can contact the Image Runners on their WhatsApp. Have a good day.